In a classroom. Listen and look at the picture. Then practice. A clock. A wall. A bulletin board. A board. An eraser. A ruler. An electronic dictionary. A pencil. A pen. A notebook. A desk. A chair. A floor. A wastebasket. A book. A table. A book bag. A map. Speaking. What's this?
It's a clock.
What's this? It's a wall. What's this? It's a bulletin board. What's this? It's a board. What's this? It's an eraser. What's this? It's a ruler. What's this? It's an electronic dictionary. What's this? It's a pencil. What's this? It's a pen. What's this? It's a notebook. What's this? It's a desk. What's this? It's a chair. What's this? It's a floor. What's this? It's a wastebasket. What's this? It's a book. What's this? It's a table. What's this? It's a book bag. What's this? It's a map. Do you have these things? Let's practice. I have a pen. You have a pen. He has a pen. She has a pen. It has a pen. You have a pen. We have a pen. They have a pen. I have an eraser. You have an eraser. He has an eraser. She has an eraser. It has an eraser. You have an eraser. We have an eraser. They have an eraser. I have a notebook. You have a notebook. He has a notebook. She has a notebook. It has a notebook. You have a notebook. We have a notebook. They have a notebook. Do you have these things? Let's practice. I don't have an electronic dictionary. You don't have an electronic dictionary. He doesn't have an electronic dictionary. She doesn't have an electronic dictionary. It doesn't have an electronic dictionary. You don't have an electronic dictionary. We don't have an electronic dictionary. They don't have an electronic dictionary. I don't have a book bag. You don't have a book bag. He doesn't have a book bag. She doesn't have a book bag. It doesn't have a book bag. You don't have a book bag. We don't have a book bag. They don't have a book bag. I don't have a map. You don't have a map. He doesn't have a map. She doesn't have a map. It doesn't have a map. You don't have a map. We don't have a map. They don't have a map. Grammar. This or that. Preposition on. Use this for an object near you. This is a book. It's on the desk. This is a notebook. It's on the table.